One of the hardest things for any eBay seller is how to build the right title for their products, how to understand the demand and how to understand which keywords should we add to our titles. In this video I will show you the top 3 tools that I'm using to optimize titles for the products that sells well for me. These tools are secret tools and 2 of them I'm pretty sure that you never heard about. Short intro and we are starting. Hello everybody! So before I jump into showing you the top 3 free tools, secret tools for title optimizations for your eBay listings, I want to talk with you about what is a good eBay title. What will be a perfect title for your eBay listing? I will really talk about it shortly so you just understand the concept and why I think that the tools that I will show you are the best tools for that. So first of all, what is a good title? A good title is a title that has keywords that people are really searching for. So if I sell a product, I need to include in my product's title on eBay the best keywords and the keywords that people will search for when they go to eBay and write something here in the search bar. But how to find these keywords? So that's the hardest part of a titles building because everything else is just a technical part. So first we need to understand how we can find the keywords that people are really searching for. So let's start from our first tool, and our first tool is an amazing tool which is called eBay. So how we can understand from eBay what are the titles, what are the keywords that people are searching for. Let's see. What I will do is to go to ebay.com and I will scroll down until the bottom of the page. I will search here for a security center. So you have here the tools and apps, and here you have the security center. The security center is a tool of eBay for buyers, but it doesn't matter for us because all what we want to see is what our buyers, what do they write in eBay's search bar here at the top. So to find that, we can use this tool. Let's see how it works. The first thing that we will do is to find an example and just a random keyword for this video and for this example. So I will just go to amazon.com and I will write here, for example, a cell phone stand or holder. Let's say cell phone holder. Now, what I will do now is I will copy these keywords and go to eBay and put it here. What you can see here are the titles, are the keywords that people are searching the most on eBay, specifically on eBay, not in Google, not in Amazon, specifically on eBay. And that's amazing for us because from here we can firstly get more ideas of a specific niche of cell phone holders. For example, from here we can see that the one with most searches is cell phone holder for car, but we also see for desk, tripod, car air vent, bicycle, and for bag. So first we can see using this tool that we can find the most searchable keywords for this specific one. Now if I go to the regular eBay site, and this is why I said that it's a special tool and secret tool, and I will put it here, we will not see any results and we will not really see what people are searching for here. I don't know why eBay works like that. I cannot understand why they don't show here the top searching keywords, but that's how it works, and this is why this trick mostly people don't know about. So you go here, tools and apps, and then you go to security center. The second tool that I want to show you, and that's the tool number 2 that we will talk about in this video, and this one is even more amazing than the first one that I just showed you. I will go to Google and write here SEO track keywords tool. I will go here to the first result, SEO stack keywords tool, and I will click add to Chrome. This extension is an amazing extension that actually helps us to save time, and it works in the same way as I showed you from eBay, but it gives us much more results and not only from eBay. So let's see how it works. I will open the extension Now I have this screen and I will write here our keyword, which is cell phone holder. And here I can choose between different search results. Now, if you want to get a really wider idea about different keywords, you can use here Google, eBay, Bing, and some different sites. But if you want to get a very specific idea about eBay specifically, and you already have in mind what is your direction, I would just choose eBay here. Then here you choose the country that you are searching to sell on. For example, if I'm selling on eBay, SEO UK, eBay UK, so I will just choose here United Kingdom. If I will sell on eBay France or Germany, I will choose here the right country, because we want to see what people are searching for from this specific country. So this is why we have this field. So I will keep it as United States because this is where I sell, and then I will click start. This amazing tool will analyze for me now all of the different keywords from searches on eBay, and then I can just go here, see the ranks, see the seed, and I can choose here the right keywords and get more ideas. So let's see what we got here. We got the cell phone holder for car, which we already saw before, for motorcycle, bike, desk, tripod, bicycle, but also we can see here more deeper keywords like universal, aluminum, and then we can get really deep idea about what people are searching for, get some ideas from here, get different keywords from here, and build the best title from what we already know that people are searching for. So the process is just go download this extension, add it to your Chrome, and then you can easily just add here any keyword that you want and start exploring from there. If you decided that you want the cell phone for holder for car, you can add it here, click start, and then you will get more ideas about what is more specific for this keyword. So for example here, if I add this, I will go and get much deeper ideas. For example, for car dashboard. If I take the dashboard, I add it here, and I will see here GPS. So that's how we can start enrolling and go deeper and deeper with our keywords research. So that was the second tool that will save you a lot of time and help you really to optimize your titles. A lot of people are asking me when I optimize the titles. So for me, mostly I optimize the titles for stores with more for aged stores that are running for some time. I'm optimizing the titles only after the product already sells. But for new stores that I have only 10 limits, for example, I will go and optimize the titles for each and any of my products. The next tool, and this is the last tool, this tool is much more well-known than other tools, than the previous tool that I just showed you, which is the eBay Security Center and the SEO Stack keyword research tool. And this is the title builder. The title builder is really a well-known tool, and I guess that many of you already heard about this tool and maybe even used this tool. But if you combine the title builder tool with the two other tools that I just showed you, the results will be amazing. So the title builder tool is a tool that you can just go to titlebuilder.com, click here on title builder, and then here you can just get more ideas. So if we already found that we want the cell phone for a car, which is in this case is a bit long keyword, so it will not work at the best way, but still we can write here the full keywords, up to 4-5 keywords maximum, and what we will see here is more ideas of what we can combine in our title. So look how easily we found a very deep niche, which we just started from a cell phone holder. Now we also have the for car, and then here we can also find more ideas like magnet, cup, dashboard, which we already saw before on eBay Security Center, for example here dashboard. So you can see that both tools combined can give you really amazing results. Now I want to add one last thing here, and this is about the keywords here. Think about it. you already have here the keywords that people are searching for on eBay. But what you can do is also to add here more search results from other sites like Amazon, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and see what people are searching for there. Because in many cases, for example, Google will identify demand before eBay. So then maybe we'll get some ideas and some keywords even before people already searched that on eBay and before eBay found that these are the best keywords for you. So this is why I really recommend you to use here not only eBay but also add here for the results Google. It will give you amazing results and more ideas for keywords. The last thing that I want to add is short recommendation from me. eBay title can be up to 80 characters. It means that it's really recommended for you to fill these 80 characters as much as possible. Remember that if you have more keywords in your title, you will give to eBay more options to show your listings. More people will get to your listings, you will get more traffic and more sales. So this is why it's really recommended to add more than just the specific keywords. It's called long tail keywords. So just add more keywords that you can, but remember, add only relevant keywords. If you're selling something for car, don't add there a bike, for example, in the keywords, because it will bring you irrelevant traffic. eBay will understand that people are clicking on your listing and then clicking back, and then it will decrease the chance that eBay will show you in the search results in the next time. So at the one hand, you should add up to 80 characters, and it's better to add as much as possible, but don't add irrelevant keywords. Use the tools that I just showed you to build the best titles that will sell for you. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with other people who want to optimize their titles at the best way. Nobody really talked about this type of tools until now, and people are really struggling with building the right titles. So help them to get more sales and increase their dropshipping and eBay businesses. Comment down with any question that you would like to ask me about dropshipping, about eBay, about e-commerce, and about anything that you have struggles with or you would like me to record videos about. See you in the next videos, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.